Femi Adebayo's JAGUN, translated as The Warrior, is a cinematic masterpiece that blends epic storytelling, stellar performances, and rich cultural elements. Set in pre-colonial Yoruba land, this film explores themes of power, ambition, betrayal, love, and redemption through the lens of warriors and the society they protect. The movie follows the story of Botija, played by Lateef Adedimeji, a young man driven by ambition to join a renowned warlord's camp. The warlord, Ogundeji, played by Femi Adebayo, is a fierce and ruthless leader who trains men into warriors, shaping them into powerful instruments of war. As Botija rises through the ranks, the film delves into the consequences of unchecked power and the resilience of the human spirit. Strengths: impressive storytelling. The plot is gripping, with twists and turns that keep the audience on the edge of their seats. It seamlessly combines action with profound moments of introspection and cultural wisdom. Outstanding cast. The performances are top-notch. Femi Adebayo delivers a commanding portrayal of Ogundeji, while Lateef Adedimeji's nuanced performance as Botija adds depth and emotional resonance. Other cast members, including Bimbo Ademoye and Fetia Balogun, bring their characters to life with authenticity. Rich cultural representation. The film beautifully showcases Yoruba culture, from language and proverbs to costumes, traditions, and martial arts. The attention to detail in set design and props enhances its authenticity. High-quality production. The cinematography, special effects, and fight choreography are of a standard rarely seen in Nollywood historical dramas. The visuals are vibrant and immersive, making the world of JAGUN come alive. Weaknesses. While JAGUN is undeniably a triumph, it occasionally suffers from pacing issues, with some scenes feeling stretched. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.